How are you?
I'm alright, mate. How are you?
I'm fine. I just want to... It's like a damn roller coaster, isn't it? I was so up yesterday. I'm down today.
Sing that song, Frank. Sing that song. Song yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Which one? We'll never leave you.
Yeah.
That made me
I
cry.
will never leave you. I will never leave you. No matter what it happens, no matter what it takes us, I will never leave you. I will never leave you. I will never leave you.
Today I've been alright. Yesterday I was mad.
Oh, yesterday I was brilliant. I just thoroughly enjoyed it. I couldn't believe it. I enjoyed every step. Today, from the minute I left camp, I was just blubbering.
Yesterday going out in cliff face. It was
Oh,
hard.
that was scary. That was amazing. You are just amazing. It's fantastic. I was so worried about you, but you did it.
I know.
You've been over again, fallen over again.
No, that's just
Oh, right. So where's Michael? He's gone off.
good off head.
He's gone ahead with
Yeah.
Susie. Look at this. Look how close it is.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it?
Can't believe it. God, Bennett.
When we get
Oh,
to the
it's
top,
brilliant.
I'm going to build a snowman.
You're going to build a snowman, are you?
Yeah.
Of me?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we can throw snowballs at it.
Or I might have a snowball fight with Michael.
That'd be brilliant. He'll hate it, so we'll both do it.
So it's day 3, guys. You want to say hi to anyone?
Day 3. Oh, hi, Matthew, Liam, Sean, Thomas, Annie, Jonathan, everybody at work, everybody I know. Hi, I'm on day 3.
How about you, Jamie?
I just want to say hi to my mum and I love her.